Okay, so on this job here, it's an Alpha cb24 or cb25, whatever it's called. It's got no hot water because there's a hole in the diaphragm. That was easy to diagnose. It's just run the hot tap and check if the microswitch is making. So this is where I drained it from. Drain off under there, luckily straight into a system below it because there's no room to get anything else in there. That's the diaphragm, that's what's got a problem, needs to be changed. And yeah, that's where I'm draining it again, and I'll show you now in a sec where it is. So that's the microswitch with the blue and brown wire, and the diaphragm is just to the right of that in that housing. But to change it, you have to take the whole brass piece out there, which is quite an awkward job if you've never done it before. So there it is, it's out now. And this is how you remove it. It has to come out as one piece with that plate heat exchanger, really. That's just the easiest way to do it. So there's the puppy, and I'll change it here. That's the top end of that opened up. And there's the old diaphragm. And in a sec, excuse the funny camera, you'll see me hopefully show you where the hole is. A bit difficult, one hand on the camera. There it is, and I'll leave you now with a tip that I was able to film with sound while I was there. Okay, so just a quick tip on these. Whenever you undo multiple joints like this to get something out, you always put it back in that everything here is loose, okay? I can undo everything by hand. All the washers are in, but nothing's tight. Every connection is loose, so you tighten them all up at the end once you've got them all on and started, because what you'll find is, for instance, that one there is really difficult to get on unless everything here is loose. You won't get that connection on, so just be aware of that. Things like this, put it back together, everything loose, and tighten it all up in one go at the end. Alright, saves a lot of hassle, a lot of messing about. So for some people that might have been a really obvious basic thing, but that's something that probably took me a couple of years to actually realise. I mean, I went around tightening everything up until my eyes were popping out of my head, which on things like that is just impossible. You can't do it like that. They leave everything loose, and it's quite straightforward. So that's a tip for you sort of new guys out there.